Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to charge the Kodak Pixpro FZ55 camera correctly using both the battery charging and the USB charging methods. Now, first of all, before charging, you need to make sure that the battery is installed correctly inside the camera. For that, what you need to do is you need to simply open this battery compartment, which is at the bottom of the Kodak Pixpro FZ55, and then you just have to simply insert the rechargeable battery carefully according to the polarity markings. The camera will not charge if the battery is missing or inserted correctly. Now you just have to simply power the camera completely off, and Kodak recommends charging the FZ55 while the camera is turned off for more stable charging performance and the better battery health. Now what you need to do is you need to simply use the USB cable, and you need to connect it to a USB wall adapter to your laptop or a powered USB port. While charging, the indicator light usually glow orange or red. Then you just have to simply turn off once charging is finishes. Now Kodak recommends allowing a full charge for several hours, especially during the first time setup. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.